Awesome. Welcome to this free traffic system review. All right. So look, if you have joined our team in the HBA system, all you need to do is this. Send me your HBA affiliate link and I will add you to our team traffic rotator where we start sending free traffic to your link. So if you join our team today, we will promote your link for you for free. And we're going to continue doing that as long as you remain a member of our team. We'll keep on promoting your HBA link for you for free. And that will get you leads, build your email list, and hopefully make you sales, guys. This is powerful. Imagine we do all the work for you, okay? We will do all the work for you while you will keep any commission that is made. How do you like that? Awesome, right? Now, look at how much I have made so far with this HBA system. Can you see that? $37,145 already made. Now, let's put out an FTC disclaimer immediately. Awesome. Look, when it comes to making money online, there is no guarantee at all. There's no guarantee that you are going to make any sale. There's no guarantee that you are going to make any income. But listen, you could make more money than I have made, or you could make less than I have made, or you make nothing at all, right? There's no guarantee. But for you to really earn income online, it totally depends on your work ethic, your skill, your commitment, and your consistency. You get that, right? Now, but one thing we do for our team is this. When you join our team right now, if you join our team right now, all you do, send me your HBA affiliate link and I will start sending, and I'm going to add you to our team traffic rotator where we start sending you a lot of free traffic, okay? But like I said, this is a disclaimer. There is no guarantee of sale. But as you can see, I am getting sales. Other members of our team are getting sales. So your chances of getting sale is very, very high. All right? Awesome. So if this is your first time of coming to my channel, or your first time of seeing my videos, please do this right now. Go below this video you are watching right now and click that like button. Also click the share button. But the most important thing, make sure you click that subscribe button because we need you to help this channel to grow, right? So click the subscribe button. Awesome. All right. So as you can see, this is my HBA account. And like I showed you before, I've made over $37,000. And you can even see my picture here. You see my name there. But the most important thing you need to see, you will see that I am all in. Because when you are all in, your chances of making over $500 per sale is very, very high. So that is why I recommend everyone to eventually go all in. Awesome, right? Awesome. So I will refresh this page so that you can see that it's not a static image. Okay, so let's refresh the page. So just see, now look at that. So you can see it's not a static image. I definitely made over $37,000 with the HBA. Now you'll be asking, what is this HBA? What is this HBA? Now we call it the HBA all-in-one $35 digital business, right? Because it only costs you $35 per month for you to become an affiliate of this company and to be able to promote this company's product and services. All right. Now, the HBA is a software company. Their products include website building software and AI automation tools. Right. Now, with their software, you will be able to build unlimited amount of websites and funnel, and you can build website for small businesses, website for churches, website for charity organization, or where you want to build website for anything, right? You can use their software to do that. Now, they also have these AI automation tools that you can use to advertise your business online. Another thing this company does, they give you daily life coaching and training. It's powerful, right? Now, how much does this whole system cost you? You only pay $35 per month to become an affiliate and to get your own software. Is that not awesome? All right. Now, this company, if you decide to be like me and you start recommending their product and services online, this company will pay you 80% monthly recurring commissions for life, guys. It's powerful. That means if you just get one customer, you will keep on earning those commissions month after month, month after month, as long as the customer remain in the company. If you just get 2 customers, you are already in profit. Is that not amazing? Now, if you decide to upgrade to an all-in member like me, you could potentially earn over $500 per sale. How do you like that? That is amazing. But look at the sweet part, okay? If you now decide to join our team, this is what you get, right? All you need to do, send your HBA affiliate link to me, and I will add you to our team traffic rotator, where we start sending you free traffic continually. As long as you remain our member, we keep promoting your link for you for free, guys. That is awesome. All right, guys, look. Let me quickly show you how the sales have been coming in for me. So let's come to my Gmail account. Then I'm going to do a little search. Awesome. Now you see everything here, the HBA throughout, right? And then you see the dates, very recent. And then look at that. Sale, 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 sale. Can you see the way people are jumping into the HBA and I'm getting a lot of sales? So this is amazing. So if you are ready right now and you want to become a member of our team in the HBA, this is what you want to do right now. Go below this video you are watching right now, just like this, okay? Now, once you become a member, once you go below this video, go straight to the description and go to the first link. You see where it says step 1, join the HBA all-in-one digital business. Go ahead, click that first link. Awesome. Now, once you click that first link, that will bring you to this capture page website. Now, what you want to do is very simple. Enter your first name here and enter your best email address here. So go ahead, enter your first name here. Then enter your best email address here. You see that? Then you see the green button that says click here for free access. Go ahead, click that green button. Now, once you do that, that will now take you to the HBA video sales page, okay? Now, you can go ahead and just watch this amazing video here. But to join our team, just come below this video to this small link here that says click here to get started. You see that link? Click here to get started. Go ahead, click on that. Awesome. So that will now bring you to the recommended product. So it costs you just $35 per month to get this recommended product. But wait, don't pay yet. Okay? Now, before you pay, this is what you want to do. You want to scroll up a little bit. You want to make sure that you see my picture here, and you want to make sure you see my name there. Because if you are not referred by me, you cannot be part of our team rotator system, and you will not get any free traffic from me or from our team. So make sure you confirm that my picture is here and my name is here. Then you come back to the recommended product and you see how much you can start for just $35 per month. So go ahead, click on that blue button, and now you can fill up all your details here and look at the price, just $35 per month. Once you pay that money, your own account will be created just like mine. Awesome. Now you are a member of our team. So the next thing you want to do is to send your HBA affiliate link to me, so that I can add you to our team traffic rotator and quickly start sending you free traffic and start building your business for you. So how do you get your HBA link that you will send to me? So what you do when you come to your account, you see where it says affiliate, go ahead, click on that. It says affiliate fast start, click on that. Then you are going to be in this place where there is affiliate fast start training. Now you can go ahead and watch the training, which I highly recommend you do. But to get your link, come below this video to where you see your turnkey system is ready. What we need from you is this, your turnkey capture page link. That is all. So go ahead, you see this box, click on it, copy that link. Now send that your link to me. All right. Now, once you send me your HBA link, I will add you to our team traffic rotator, where we start sending free traffic to your link within 24 hours, guys. Now, our team free traffic rotator will send free traffic to your link, help you get traffic, help you get leads, and then build your email list for you, make sales for you, and make you money for free. How do you like that? How do you like that? Where we do all the work and you keep all the money. So your system becomes 100% done for you, guys. This is just amazing. Now, so by joining our team, there is no technical skill required at all, because all you do once you join our team, you just go straight to your HBA account, click on that click on where it says affiliate and get me your HBA link. That's all. So by joining our team, if you don't know how to advertise, that's not a problem. We will do all the advertisement for you for free. If you don't know how to promote, that is not a problem. We will promote your link for you for free. If you don't have money to buy traffic, don't worry about it. We will give you traffic every day for free. Now, so by joining our team and this whole system, there's no recruiting required, no selling, no calling, no telling, no experience required. And this is a worldwide opportunity, right? So like I said before, when you join our team, we will do all the work for you for free, while you keep all the money to yourself. How do you like that? Awesome. So if you want to get started with our team, go below this video right now. Click that first link and join our team. Now, once you join our team, like I said, send your HBA link to me and I will add you to our team traffic rotator, all right? Powerful, powerful, powerful. So if you have any question about the HBA, about the team traffic rotator, whatever question you have, leave it in the comment section. And if you like this video, click the like button, also click the share button, but most importantly, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right, so with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.